Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays. This is Matt Honeycutt from Fraser Honeycutt Financial with our November 2014 Educational Economic Update. In this month's video, we'll be discussing some of the economic events that occurred last month and give you some insight into what they mean for you as an investor. Please stay tuned at the end for a required disclosure statement. After a jittery October, November was a solid month for markets. Solid domestic indicators and big moves by central banks in Europe and China helped reassure investors that future growth is possible. Let's take a look at what happened last month. The Bureau of Economic Analysis released its second estimate of the third quarter economic growth, and we discussed that the economy accelerated to 3.9% growth. Though we don't know whether the pace of growth continued into the fourth quarter, it's still a reassuring reminder that the economy continues to do well. The BEA updates their GDP reports as more economic data comes in, making each one more accurate. We'll be getting more update about the third quarter in the upcoming weeks. The labor market continues to make major strides. Total non-farm payrolls increased significantly in November, though the unemployment rate stayed at 5.8%. More importantly, the quality of available jobs continued to improve. Since the labor market is a major engine of economic growth, we hope job gains will spur growth in other areas of the economy. An important gauge of consumer sentiment surged last month, climbing to the highest level in 7 years. Americans are feeling much better about their financial prospects. This is great for the retail sector because it may mean that Americans are ready to open their wallet and spend. Speaking of spending, the holiday shopping season officially started during the last week of November with Black Friday sales. Early reports show that spending over the Thanksgiving weekend unexpectedly dropped 12% over last year. While the results are puzzling since consumer fundamentals are much better, historical trends show that Black Friday sales actually reveal very little about how the overall holiday shopping season is going to go. The good news is that we still have plenty of room for a great retail season. Although it looks like domestic fundamentals are in good shape, the labor market is improving, consumers are feeling optimistic, and the recent drop in gas prices is putting more money in their pockets. On the other hand, slowing global growth is making companies uncertain about the prospects in their coming months, potentially making them less willing to spend. Though we're hopeful about a solid finish to this year, it's wise to prepare for some turbulence along the way. As always, we'll keep you informed. And that's it for the November Educational Economic Update. If you have any questions or concerns, please give us our office a call at the number below. Once again, this is Matt Honeycutt with Fraser Honeycutt Financial, signing off for the month of November. If you have any questions about what you heard in this update or would like to discuss this with your personal financial advisor, please give us a call at 503-241-5151. We'd be happy to help you. While we believe the information in this report is reliable, we cannot guarantee its accuracy. Opinions expressed are subject to change without notice and are not intended as investment advice or a solicitation for the purchase or sale of any security. Please consult your financial professional before making any investment decision.